Welcome to another brisk morning rewatch here, guys. We're watching a rewatch of Game 2 of last Saturday, so it's been a couple days since our last game. But just a little look at it. But first of all, I love a good screen full of trees. It just makes me happy. Second thing, so we've got Spencer as the Goths, with Austin backing him up. And we've got... and Austin's the Spanish, as always. Travis decides to go Persians. And Alex changes things up. Alex is going Incas. I don't know what he's thinking from the Incas, but he's going Incas. We see he's got his forward operation. He's going here. There's 4 minutes left. We see that Alex is walling off. Rare thing for Alex, but, good for him. On the other side, we have Taylor matched up against Spencer. When we look at the wall situation, and this was not here, this whole thing. So this area, Taylor did a pretty good job of pulling off the middle right in here. I think I would have liked it a little bit more right there, but at the same time, this gives Taylor some place to build military, and otherwise he would not have had that space. So I'm okay with it, especially because, but at the time during game, I was like, Taylor, you went way forward, because I thought that this was part of Spencer's original base, but Spencer's original base is over here. So I think that they divided pretty fairly between the two. So again, that's Taylor. We've got, I believe this is Joel as the Byzantines. What was Taylor again? I forgot. Taylor's the Khmer. Then we have Jake McKean as the Slavs. Notice that he, I can't remember what he called it, but he walled himself in with houses, which, I don't hate it, especially with these games that are all crazy rushing. Like, why not wall off some of your stuff, just make it safe. And then I went full Goths. So, and I've got forward stuff going on over here. It's going to be a good time. We got 4 minutes left. Let's see what's happening. When we look at, okay, so this is Jake's economy. He's got a good amount of food and wood, so, he's got to up his gold game, but he's looking good. Getting there, getting his upgrades. Good for you, Jake. Look at Joel. Joel's even got more of everything than Jake does. Way to go, Joel. Look at Travis. Travis has got 50 and 47, so he's doing pretty good, and he's getting his trade going right now. You see that. On the other end, Spencer's still cooking. We've got about a minute left, so we've got Austin low on wood, but, it happens. Let me look at all of this. Oh, so this is Travis's forward operating stuff. And Alex is doing this right now. And I'm going. So, there you go. I'm going to switch this to, let's go with Travis. We'll watch Travis's economy. So, on this side, Travis is here. I'm right there. On the other side, we see that Taylor's walled off a few times. Meanwhile, these guys have walled off. Is that's Spencer? Oh, they're just attacking the wall. Okay. Be my guest, be my guest. You should always make onagers. But I didn't have onagers yet, so I'm being a hypocrite by saying that. I'm sorry. I don't mean to be. Travis is already not PopCap, but he's at 240, so he's going. Okay, so there's the onagers. We're going to see our fart. We'll column A, little column B. We're going to have our fight start here in just a moment. I'm lucky we had as much time as we did. So, alright, here's this. On the other side, still attacking. Yeah, you just got to cut around that stuff, guys. So, and that's what they're doing. Good. Meanwhile, oh, boom. And we're through. Here goes the fight. We got all these archers going on. It's a great time. What are you guys waiting on? You're sitting there. Okay, well. While that's going on, I got a fight going. We got another castle getting built. I'm fighting Alex and Travis right now. It looks like I'm the only guy that felt like fighting this game. On the other side, Taylor's ready to kind of go. He's just building up and holding. I'd put a bunch of bomb cannons right here. Man, that would just be a death zone. That'd be awesome. Or archers, you know. Either one that would have been sweet to have. Maybe even bomb cannons. On this side, we got... Oh, Taylor showed up. Nice. Alex is like, I'm going to build forward stuff. All right. I don't know how you're going to get through to those forward things, but good luck. And elephants and trash mix like that, it's a hard combo. Guess siege is what you'd want. A lot of onagers. Oh, he's decided to cut through that way. So he went a different way. I don't hate that move. That's not a bad move. Even though there's another wall right there. We can get it over here. And now we're just kind of going crazy. But at least they walled off. Except for they didn't. Well, the forward bases are gone. And Joel's holding this like a champ. Doing great. Good job, Joel. And Austin's there to go, and it's probably a little too late. It's one thing we've noticed about Travis's game. Travis does a really good job when Travis doesn't have to boss people around. Yeah. So I'm getting in. Meanwhile, over here, they've just clogged it. Jake loves these skirmishers so much. They're not my jam. They're just not. And Alex has quit. And Travis has quit. And Spencer quit. And that was a pretty quick game. Looking forward to tonight's game. See here, we're going to leave map. So, that was a pretty one-sided fight. Happened pretty quickly. But, yeah, looking forward to tonight's game. It's Thursday, or it's Tuesday, so gotta get ready for those. I will be probably late. We'll see. I have to go to a meeting thing. But, GG, guys. It's always a good time when you wreck as the Goths. My military score was pretty good there. It's still a negative KD, darn. Alright, well, on to the next one.